back to my channel. It's Dollar Tree Saturdays. This is gonna be the last Dollar Tree you guys see before I do my vacation Dollar Tree. No, is it? Yeah. I don't remember, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got. I'm sorry, I'm on vacation mode. We're still got 2 weeks before we go on vacation, and when we do go on vacation, I'm showing you guys a Dollar Tree haul that I got while I was on vacation. I know you guys might not care, but I'm excited to try a Dollar Tree I've never been to. But enough with me yakking. I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, I went to visit my mom the last couple days, and she knows how much I am obsessed with the Dollar Tree. There is one Dollar Tree that I am obsessed with when I go to her house, because I always find great stuff. The people there are so positive. The store is clean and faced, and I'm like, why can't the store be by me? And then we went to Rochester, Minnesota, which is about an hour from my parents' house, and we went to one Dollar Tree, and that store, they said it was one of their busiest stores because it was a big store, and everything was like they get shopped really well. So there was tons and tons of empty shelves. I'm like, that's crazy. And then my mom wanted to get mulch someplace, and I saw another Dollar Tree, but I'm like, nah, we're not gonna get home till like 9 o'clock at night. But now I know where to go next time I go to Rochester, Minnesota. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got, because I am crazy. So this, I ended up getting, I got my son Ludens is what I got him, because he's been coughing like crazy. So I ended up getting Ludens, but I don't know where they're at. But I found this book. Now this is Amazing Food Hacks. It's made by the people from BuzzFeed, and it basically kind of shows you like different ways to like do stuff with food. Like you guys can make biscuit bowls and like pizza salsa. I'm like, that sounds good. And you know, I just think this is super good, and for $1 you can't go wrong. And I was super excited to see a book like this, and it looks like she's from BuzzFeed, so super excited about that. This is what I was really excited for, you guys, are the Pringle sticks. Now my store had the honey ones, which I'm not a big fan of, but they have the pizza sticks, and I absolutely love these, and I'm really trying to cut back on eating candy at work, not snacking, but eating candy while I'm working. And I thought these are great to have. There's 8 packs in here, and there's a good variety of sticks inside. So I'm like, you cannot pass these up for $1, because usually these are like $3 at the grocery store. You guys, I'm just losing everything. So I had to get 4 of these because I just love it. Just love it. So I definitely picked up a bunch of those, and then the cashier's like, ooh, what are these? And I'm like, they're new. She's like, oh, I'm gonna have to go get some. So I was on a hunt to find more Tsum Tsums, and I found one, and I'm just like, yay, I found Tsum Tsums. I don't care if we have them or not. Ben and I are obsessed with Tsum Tsums, and these run like $4 or $5 at the store. So I'm like, that's it, we're getting Tsum Tsums. Well, then Ben's like, mommy, another Tsum Tsum. So there's another one in here, which is Piglet, Mickey, and Marie, and then I also got Alice, Stitch, and Donald. So for $1, you cannot go wrong with these. These are things that we absolutely love collecting, so I had to get that. We're going to a birthday party in a couple weeks, and I found these My Little Pony blind bags. Now the girl's birthday party we're going to, she loves blind bags. She loves watching blind bag openings on YouTube. So I thought, why not get her some blind bags? And I think these are the figurines. Like, I think it's, yeah, oh, you guys can kind of see it. I hope I didn't get 2 of them. No, I didn't. I didn't get 2 of the same ones. But they come with like My Little Pony figurines, and I'm like, for $1, that's the first time I've really seen blind bags there, so for those kinds. So along with the videos that I got her at the Dollar Tree, you can't go wrong with both of those. I ended up getting this little, well, I'm just losing stuff. I ended up getting one of these little binders. I have paper for it, and I thought these are cute, and I have not found these anywhere, but they're just the small little binders, and I thought these are great for if I want to do something with them. I got them, so I definitely got that. They didn't have very much of a color to choose from, but I had to get that. This is something I've been on a hunt for, are these stands. Now, I am going to be doing a giveaway for these, so I think I'm going to wait till after my vacation. I'm going to get a couple other things, and I'm going to do a couple little Dollar Tree giveaways. So once I find stuff that I know people want, I'm going to start doing more giveaways, you guys. I'm just cheap when it comes to giveaways. But I ended up getting a bunch of them because I was super excited. But I got Every Now and Then I Fall Apart. So it's like a little taco. I do not care, and I had to keep this one for myself. So I'm going to be definitely giving one of these away and keeping one for myself. I'm just going to be losing everything. I ended up at You Bake Me Crazy, so that is super cute. And then it says, I have fries for you. So I don't know what ones I'll be giving away, but definitely stay tuned for those. I'm going to start finding some Dollar Tree giveaway stuff for you guys. Now I found this, and I kind of saw it, and I'm like, oh, it's so Graham and I. So I want to get a J and a G for Jennifer and Graham, and I found this and symbol, so I thought this would be cute to have in our room once I find the J and the G. It is made out of glass, and if I don't find a J and a G that I like the color-wise, I might just get the J and the G and then spray paint it along with this. So I thought that was super cute. And they also had the at symbol, but I wanted the and. Now I found some more books. I found the Hellman's favorite recipes. What's up? Yeah. But I thought this was cute, and they got some really good recipes in here, so I got that one for $1. And then I saw this one time before and I didn't get it, and I wish I did, but I ended up getting the Red Hot's recipe to make stuff with Red Hot's hot sauce. So I got that stuff. We played Ben, don't stand on that, honey. We ended up playing a dice game in the wintertime with our friends where they got to roll the dice and get certain numbers, and we always play with the little dice, and they always get lost or something. So I thought, why not get a big pair? So that'd be kind of fun. So I had to get, these because I've been seeing them, and I'm like, probably when I have my party and they won't be around. I found sequence bins, you guys. I was so excited. So these ones turn into pink, and then it turns into like that green kind. I've been kind of on a hunt for these. I kind of given up on finding them. And then I also found the like pearl ones, and then they turned to silver. So I had to definitely get those so I could put those on my little shelf right next to my video channel. Now I don't want the husband to see this, so Graham, look away if you're watching this. It says Dad's wisdom. Number 1, a little bit of dirt never hurt anyone. Number 2, go ask your mother. Number 3, do as I say, not as I do. Number 4, money doesn't grow on trees. And number 5, it builds character. I could see Graham saying this to Ben as he gets older. So I thought this would be a cute little thing to get Graham for his little man cave. Now, I found this candle. I was so excited, you guys. This is the strawberries and cream. Now, I burnt this before, and I only found one. And I've been on a hunt trying to find this candle, and I found one. And I'm just like, why one? But this is my favorite candle from the Dollar Tree. So I had to get it. You guys, I just love it. Oh, it smells so good. I ended up getting a big wad of fake money. I don't know if I've ever seen this before, but it's got 1s, 5s, 10s, 20s, and $100 bills. I thought this would be great when Ben gets a little bit older to play with play money, and, why not? So I had to get it. Now, I could not remember if I bought this or not. I was there at the store, and I'm like, did I buy this? I can't remember. I probably did. If I did, that's okay. I might give this in a giveaway. But I got Rocco's Modern Life. Rocco's Modern Life. Rocco's Modern Life. So I had to get that. But I think I got a double of that. And you guys, I found My Little Ponies. And this is I saw the date on here. Where the heck did I see it? What is this? This is from back when I was a kid. I saw a date. Where did I see it at? What? I don't know. This is like the 1980s version of My Little Pony. Where? I swear I saw it on here. I don't know, but there is 13 episodes on here, all 26 adventures, and there's a sing-along, 1992. This is Hello, 2nd grade, because I was in 2nd grade in 1992. But this is what I used to watch. This is My Little Ponies. I don't mind watching these ones, but these are My Little Ponies. So I had to get this for myself. I was so excited. Can't go wrong with those. I found now I thought this would be a good thing to get is a silly string. I wanted to play with silly string with Ben. So I thought this would be a great little thing to play with him outside. It's now summertime, so I'm going to be silly with him. I ended up getting a cat brush for my cat because she's starting to shed like crazy. We had a brush for her. I'm not sure what happened to it, but I'm just going to start combing her. And for $1, you can't go wrong with a cat scratcher. And then as you guys saw, my not my Dollar Tree, but my rummage sale that I had a couple weeks ago, it was super awesome. It did really well. And I found the Avery stickers for these. Now I did use about half of my stickers that I did have, but I thought these are nice because these are like 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, $1. They gave me like tons of other ones I didn't have enough of, but I thought these were great. And I think there's $2 ones in here too. Yeah, $2 ones. So definitely got these ones because I will be having another garage sale at the end of summer because I just want to start getting rid of more stuff. It's not just my stockpile. I just want to get rid of my stuff. I found a sock. Look at that. I ended up getting these for Ben. Now my mom bought one of these when we were at her house, and my parents have a hot tub, and we went inside and we put this on Ben, and it fit perfectly for him, and we absolutely loved it. So I'm probably gonna bring one of these when we go on our vacation.
Okay,
just to
so
have,
my camera died, or didn't die on me. My memory card got full because I have to delete some other videos that I made. But I'm gonna share with you guys what I got again. So, as I was trying to say before my camera cut off, my mom got these when we were there at her house this past week, and Ben was like swimming in their hot tub, and I thought that's great. And so I'm like, you know what, I should get one just in case, you know, we plan on going swimming sometimes. Now he does have a life jacket, but when we go on vacation this summer to Florida, I don't know if the Dollar Trees would even have this because it's more near water, so they probably sell out a little bit more. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to get these in there for only $1. So I got Finding Nemo, or the clownfish, and then I got the Dory fish. So I thought these would be perfect for him when we go on vacation, just in case they don't have them when we go there. And then I found this little kickboard, inflatable kickboard. I thought this was super cute for $1. I thought this would be great to have when we go to the pool. We plan on going to a pool down the road sometime this summer, so had to get that. And then, you guys, I have so many DIYs, and I'm sorry I'm slacking on it. Now when I got stuff figured out for next week, I don't work for 5. I'm not going to be working for 6 days in a row. So on my 6 days in a row that I have off, I'm going to be doing DIYs like crazy, and I will be posting a lot of those DIYs when I go on vacation. So I ended up getting sandals because I want to make something with the sandals. So I thought these colors would be all cute together. So had to get these. So you guys will definitely have to see it. And I never saw this pattern before until I went to one Dollar Tree. And I've gone to a lot of Dollar Trees lately. So I ended up getting those patterns because I am super excited to make a couple DIYs for you guys. So I am so stoked for next week. I'm just going to like take a vacation and just work on DIY videos to share with you guys. Okay, and now we're down to the last items. Now, I ended up getting some flowers. Now, I wouldn't say these are the greatest thing. I mean, they're okay looking. They're great for weddings and everything. But I wanted just the flowers, and I'm like, I could figure out what to do something with these little vases. So I ended up getting the 3 different colors because those are going to go towards the sandals that I got. So I thought these were super cute, and why not? And if they break, they break. I just want the flowers. But yes, that was what was in my haul. I think I did pretty good. I mean, I got a lot of stuff that I've been really trying to find, and I'm so excited. I found the My Little Ponies from my childhood, you guys, and I was really excited for these little trays. I'm just gonna open one up. And if you guys are interested in me doing some DIY giveaways, please let me know. Like, I want to help you guys out. So it is clear that's the only bad thing about it, but I mean, you just kind of just set it. I have it on backwards. Have it on backwards. You just have it sit like right there, and then your phone can just sit on a chair and just chill. So like, I had to get this. This is great for when I do go on my trip on the airplane. I can kind of just watch something on my phone if I want to. I don't know how well it's gonna hold weight, but it says it's supposed to hold your phone, so why not? So that is super cute. But yes, that is my Dollar Tree haul. I'm finally getting stuff that I've been really trying to find, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'm really hoping you guys, you know, love these Dollar Tree Saturdays. And yes, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Everybody who supports and loves my Dollar Tree videos, I love to share with you guys as many deals as I can. Again, hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more Dollar Tree Saturdays and more Dollar Tree DIYs, and I will see you guys all again. Bye-bye.